This week we're continuing a project for DNA, Dedicated Nursing Association of Delmont, Pennsylvania. First step for us was to lay out all the pieces in our rear parking lot so we could position how it would be ultimately installed on the building. There are two pieces shown here, a piece that appears to be upside down, which is the part that gets mounted on the building, and a piece that has a white covering on it, which is actually a drill template with holes corresponding to letters that will be mounted on this aluminum raceway. Now all the templates have been drilled and the raceways are ready for the next step, which is to mount the letters forming DNA and the DNA logo. These are the letters that will be mounted to the raceway, which is right now in our driveway because we have no room in our facility. You can see the pins coming out of the back of the letters. Those pins are intended to line up with the raceway outside, and then there will be a nut and bolt which will actually hold them in place. The next step in our process is to begin fitting the letters to the painted raceway. So far we have DEDI. At this point we've removed all the letters from their trial fit, and we have put the finished coat of paint on all the pieces. The next step will then to be reassemble the letters and bolt them on the back. That'll be the final process before we take them to the site for mounting. Coming down to the final steps that we can complete at our sign store tomorrow, which is our install day. We will load all these letters up into our van and start the install. Beginning with just the silver pieces shown in the bottom of your screen. That gets mounted to the building, and then the letters slip on top of that to form the words Dedicated Fitness. This is the first raceway being mounted on the building. Now the first set of letters are going up for the word Dedicated, and here is the DED portion of that. The raceways have been installed to the left and to the right of the main message, and right in the center we can see that Dedicated has been installed. That will be followed by Fitness, which is going to be on Monday, and then on the far right will be the logo and the DNA initials again.